Want to learn how to use AI for affiliate blog content? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how you can supercharge your blog writing with AI and make your affiliate content creation faster, more efficient, and even more engaging. By the end of this video, you'll be able to start leveraging AI for your own blog posts and get your affiliate marketing strategy to work harder for you. Let's dive right into it. First things first. The beauty of using AI for affiliate blog content is its ability to assist you in generating high-quality writing in less time. Whether you're struggling to come up with blog post ideas or you need help refining your content, AI can make a huge difference. The software we'll be using today can generate topic ideas in seconds. Simply input your niche or a keyword, and it will give you a list of trending, SEO-friendly topics. So instead of spending hours brainstorming, you can get to the fun part, writing your blog. Once you've got your topic, it's time to create the content. The software we're using can help you outline your post. It can break down the topic into subheadings and even suggest relevant points to cover. This saves time by giving you a structure to work with right off the bat. You'll also find that the AI can suggest key phrases or words to optimize your post for search engines. This is huge for affiliate marketing since SEO is the backbone of getting traffic. Now let's talk about the actual writing. This software can draft sections of your blog for you, making it much easier to get started. You won't have to write every single word from scratch. You can just fine-tune the AI's output and add your unique voice to it. Remember, the content still needs to be authentic and engaging. So don't forget to inject your personality, but let the software help streamline the process. The next step is reviewing and editing. The software will even check grammar and spelling mistakes, which means less time spent editing and more time spent making money from your affiliate links. Before we wrap up, here's a quick pro tip. AI-generated content works best when you use it to supplement your ideas rather than replace them. Your audience is looking for real value and your unique insights. AI is a tool that helps you create that value faster. So, what do you need to take away from this video? AI can be your ally when creating affiliate blog content by helping with brainstorming, structuring, drafting, and editing. Don't be afraid to use it as a productivity tool, but remember to always add your personal touch to make your content stand out. One last thing before we go, I've got an exclusive free trial to the software we've been using today. You'll find the link in the description below. It's available only to my viewers, so be sure to grab it and follow along. To recap, use AI to streamline your affiliate blog content creation by automating the brainstorming, writing, and editing process, but always add your own voice and expertise to keep it authentic. Don't forget to check out the free trial in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.